Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to set face lock on Infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After that you have to scroll down to security. So the security is here. Click on the security. When you click on it again, you have to scroll. Then here you can see this is the screen, this is the face lock. Okay, click on this face lock, click on set screen lock. After that the three option you have to select from here. The first is the pattern, second is the pin, third is the password. So I select the pin, then click on next. Here you can type the numbers. After that click on next. Again you have to retype the numbers. Click on confirm. After you have been confirmed, click on done. When you click on done, just click on enroll face and click on next. Okay, here it says for the 5 second or 3 second, do not wear glasses, hat, mask, do not wear. Okay, do not cover your face. Click on next and scan your face. Let's go to scan the face. Right, so here I have finished to scan my face. After that here you have to click on done. Okay, so we have finished to set up the face lock on this mobile phone, and if you want to set, you can set it too by following these steps. And if this video helps you, please like the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.